Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today we are here for the second installment of the Witches Brigade Halloween Hop. Yay! A couple of announcements before I go into it is we do have a new witch in the brigade. Her name is Simply Home by Nikki, and her name, or I should say that was her channel name, and her name is Nikki. And her channel will be linked below, so please go subscribe to her so that you'll be able to see her creations. And then one of our ladies, Leslie, she will not be posting her video today. So we usually post our videos at 2 o'clock Eastern, 5 o'clock Pacific, and we're doing it every Sunday for 4 weeks. This is our second week. Leslie's not going to be able to do that today, and that's okay. She'll either do it later today or no later than Tuesday, so you'll want to go ahead and make sure you're subscribed to her. And everybody that's involved, there's 10 ladies, all of their channels are linked below. So a little bit about this hop before we get started, because I know there's some new subscribers to my channel at least, and you may not be aware of what I'm even talking about. So the Witches Brigade Halloween Hop started last week, and it's running for 4 weeks. So it's September 26th through October 17th. And what we're doing is every week on Sunday at 2 o'clock Pacific, 5 o'clock Eastern, we are posting a video, all of us 10 ladies. Each week we have a different thing that we need to do, a different task. So last week we did, we had to decorate a coffin. And it was so fun to see everybody's creations, because some people completely used paper. Some people took a wood coffin, a flat coffin that they found at Dollar Tree, and totally decked it out. Other people made 3D coffins. I mean, it was just so cool to see everybody's take on it. So if you're new, you might want to go back and look at everybody's videos from last week. I did create a playlist on my channel, so you could go watch their videos, or you can just go visit their channels and go look at their past videos and see. Okay, so this week what we had to do was we had to create some embellishments, and we had to make 3 sets of 2 embellishments. That was it. They just needed to be in a Halloween theme, and that's it. And so crafter's choice. So what I decided to do was I decided to look around my house for things that I already have, like not look around my house, but like look around the craft room, look at my craft dies and say, hey, what do I have that is like an everyday type item, or like an everyday type die that I can make into Halloween? You know, because it can get expensive, like trying to buy all the latest dies. I gotta go get all the Halloween dies. I gotta get all the Christmas ones. No, you don't. You don't even have to go get all the newest supplies, you know, crafting supplies. So that's what I did. I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna show you what I did. Okay, so first up we have these candy jars. So I took these little candy jars, and I will link these for you below where I got them. I got them from Amazon, and all I did was turn them into a Halloween theme. So this paper that I used was Hey Pumpkin, and I got these bows from Walmart, and these are like little spider web sequins, and all I did was just make a sequin mix that matched the Hey Pumpkin collection, and use some black glitter paper, and here you go. And I cut out this, it says candy please, eat candy. And then this one was, I did this from the Frank Garcia 31 collection. So there's those are super fun. And then next I decided to make some little witches brooms. So for these, I mean, most of us have pom-poms, most of us have crepe paper, most of us have bows and gems and straws. And so you can do these in any colors that you want to. And I mean, you can do these with white straws, black straws, orange straws. They don't have to be like in Halloween colors. You can just easily take what you have and make them Halloween. So I did these cute little witches brooms. Then next, I actually did a couple of those. Next, I did these. So I did these little, let me try to find the one that says, yeah. So I did these little teeny tiny spell books, And I have a tutorial coming up later this week where you can find, I'm going to put all the supplies that I use, and I'm going to take you through the steps, step by step, of how I made these. So this one, what does this one say? Witchy, spell. I made several of them because I'm going to give them out as gifts. So what does this one say? Spooked, ghostly, and you can add, you know, all sorts of different things to it that you want to. Let's see, what does this one say? Creepy. So I made a bunch of those, and then just some extras because, you know, really I've already kind of gone through all the ones I was supposed to create. Some extras I wanted to show you is I also, here's something else that I took from an everyday die and I turned it into a Halloween version. I will link the die below. It's really a flat die, but I turned it into a box because I followed Bona's tutorial on Instagram. So I can try to find her tutorial and link it for you. It was so fun to make, and you can do this in any style. I think when she did hers in a Maggie Holmes, and I was like, oh, I'm totally gonna do that for Halloween. So there's that. And I wanted to show you something that I made from watching Nikki's channel, just so I can really encourage you to go over there because she does have such a fun channel. I saw these on her channel and I had to like duplicate it. This wasn't the exact style, you know, I kind of put my own twist on it, but she's got like a little tutorial and like information about how you can make these adorable witches legs. They're actually for cupcakes. You're actually supposed to stick them in a cupcake and they stick out of the cupcake, but she turned them into like little witches walking down the street with high heels and a skirt on. So cute. So anyway, those are my entries for the week. I will also link my gloves below because I showed the other ones in the video I did last week. Well, these were they came with 2 pairs for like $8.99, and so I wanted to tell you guys where I got these from before anybody asked me. So yeah, that is mine for the week. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I hope that you will go down and check out everybody's channel and see what they made. We are having so much fun, and I hope you are too. Have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.